So I imagine that at least most of you have gone to a Costco or a Sam's Club in your life. And as far as I'm concerned, I think two things before we get into the main topic. One, for the most part, it's really rather organized and there's a lot of bulk buying going on. And two, why isn't Sam's Club owned by Costco anyway? Because they look exactly the same inside and out. Even though Sam's Club is surprisingly owned by Walmart. But that's not what we're talking about here today. No. You go into the Costco at Aurora, or even some in Jefferson or whatever, but we're talking about the Aurora one here. You go to the one in Aurora, you go on the right side, they check your ID, whatever. You go up, left, and down, okay? All the stuff, all the things in orange, that's just the aisles, and everything in the middle is irrelevant for this. Point being, that's what you do. You go up, left, and down, because that's a U, and that's how Costco works. That's how they operate, as you can see from this diagram here. That's the point. Okay? This is how you're supposed to do it, because this is the flow of traffic that everyone follows within Costco and subsequently creates every time Super Bowl rolls around. What some people do, though, is unimaginable and frankly unforgivable. They decide we're going to go on the left side instead, check our ID and whatever, go towards the checkout area, but not actually check out because we're not getting anything. Yes, the customer service is there, but that's not the point. We go through, blah, 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 and then they're going the wrong way in the store, disrupting all the traffic on Super Bowl day, causing a bigger headache for everyone. And I don't understand this. You go in on the right side, this little illustration shows that. You're supposed to go on the right side. That's the flow of traffic. Going on the left side is wrong, as you can see from the red arrow. The reason why the U line, is blue and the arrows are blue is to show that that's the way you're supposed to go. And as you can see, you're not supposed to go on the left side. That's not the point. That disrupts the flow of traffic, causing a bigger headache for everyone. Because now they gotta dodge around you, all the people stopping at the little vendor booths thing to get food or whatever, and try and get their stuff, and stick together because it's Costco. Now, I don't know if this is the same for all Costco's or Sam's Clubs or whatever. It may be different in your area, and this diagram, as you can see here, may not necessarily apply to your Costco or Sam's Club, but for the one the one closest to me where I live, it does apply. But anyway, don't go the wrong, there is a predetermined area as to how you're supposed to come in and come out. It's easy to see. I don't care if it's easier to get to what you're trying to buy by going the wrong way. You're making everyone else's life miserable by going the wrong way. It'd be like going the wrong way down a motorway. Now everyone has to dodge you and try and not play bumper cars with everyone. Don't go the wrong way. It's not that hard. The flow of traffic in Costco is easy, it's simple, and it's already there. Moral of the story, stop going the wrong way. Just go the right way, please.